Did you know that the world produces a volume of vegetable oils equivalent to more than 81,000 Olympic swimming pools each year? Among these vegetable oils, we find edible oils, also called cooking oils, which contain various nutrients that are necessary for a healthy diet. Shouldn't you know what you consume and where the products you enjoy daily come from? We think so. Cooking oil can come from plant sources such as soybeans, rapeseed, sunflowers, oil palm, peanuts, coconuts, and olives. For soybean oil, it all starts with seeds planted around the world. In Brazil, Argentina, Uruguay, Paraguay, China, India, Canada, and the US. Farmers work closely with agronomists to grow their produce sustainably. Together, they ensure crop quality by checking impurity, moisture, protein, and oil content. The beans are delivered by truck, rail, or ship to a facility like this one, to be stored, selected, crushed, processed, and then refined with expert care, until their nutritious oil is packaged and ready to bring to your table. How do you use it? In margarines, salad dressings, sauces, fried foods, even bakery goods and desserts. These products are part of your everyday life. Now you know where they come from and how they're made.